Hi, we are from Ankram. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the Unity Scientific NIR Spectra Star, a powerful instrument for near-infrared analysis. The Spectra Star XT is a benchtop food analyzer capable of analyzing a wide range of samples, including solids, slurries, and liquids. It measures common parameters include moisture, protein, and fat, but the Spectra Star XT can also measure more difficult parameters like sugars, fibers, ash, lignin, fatty acids and many other parameters. The Spectra Star NIR analyzer is a compact unit with attached computer. Its portability allows you to take it to production sites, labs, or wherever you need it. Unlike other instruments, it's a closed unit with no fan or ventilation, ensuring a dust-free environment. Additionally, it's designed to be vibration-proof, adding to its durability. This instrument is perfect for food analysis applications. The Spectra Star XT series NIR analyzers utilize scanning monochromator technology for the highest signal quality available. These systems utilize near-infrared light and precisely measure absorbance at each wavelength. Robust calibrations transform this spectral information into multiple constituent values that cannot be quantified through visual inspection. To perform the analysis, you can choose from different cup sizes equipped with plungers and a sample ring. Simply place your samples directly into the cups, scan them, and receive results within 30 to 60 seconds. The Spectra Star XT utilizes a patented method known as True Alignment Spectroscopy (TAS) to align and maintain instrument accuracy. This method, backed by calibrated, NIST traceable standards, detects and corrects any changes caused by shock, temperature variations, or lamp fluctuations. The NIR Spectra Star comes with calibrations from Unity, and it also offers industry-leading ingot calibrations from NIR. These calibrations cover a wide variety of sample types and constituents, ensuring accurate and reliable results. For user-friendly operation, we have the UScan operation software, designed for touchscreen functionality. It requires minimal training for routine operations, making it convenient for users. Now, let's see an example by using skimmed milk powder. Start by taking a sample and thoroughly mixing it. Then, simply place the sample into the cup, insert the plunger, and press the scan button. Within a few seconds, you'll have your results. Since there are no chemical reactions involved, you can further test the sample if needed. Now, let's recap the advantages of using NIR technology. 1. Rapid analysis with results in under 60 seconds. 2. No sample preparation required, pure solids and liquids can be used. 3. Low cost per sample, as no chemicals or solvents are needed. 4. True Alignment Spectroscopy (TAS) standards for instrument accuracy. 5. Huge library is available from NIR and Unity for sample analysis. 6. Compatibility with LIMS through the UScan software. 7. Cost and waste reduction, leading to improved company profitability. With the NIR Spectra Star, you can achieve efficient and reliable analysis while streamlining your processes and